guess what? The power's back on. Although I didn't tell you it was off, but it's back on. And about the wind, when I came home, I texted my mom, I'm home, and she's like, hey, come help me. I was like, what? She's like, I'm in the neighbor's backyard. I was like, okay. So I go back there, and our tramp is next to our neighbor's house, and she's like holding it up so that it won't blow away. And I'm just like, what the? And so we were holding it, and then our neighbors came, and we had to take it apart and stuff. It was so freezing. And it was pretty fun, you know. It's kind of really funny. It makes me laugh. And yeah, I'm just like, holy crap, our tramp just flew into our neighbor's backyard. And school is canceled. Trucks are tipped over on the road. And I saw a shed smashed into someone's fence. And it was torn apart. And there were fences torn down. This wind is, it's like going like 95 miles per hour. And it's just crazy, dude. It's just, I don't know what to call it. You know, it's just like, yeah. And now I gotta do homework. Yay! It's gonna be awesome since I don't have school, so I have more time to do homework. So, see ya.